Today I'm showing you an ESP32-CAM project using the AI-Thinker camera module. First, I'll show you the housing and explain all the features you can expect. You can use this camera as an online streaming camera, a VR streaming camera inside a VR-style housing, a BambuLab online streaming camera, or simply as an IP camera with wall or desk mounting. I provide two sketches, one for online mode, one for access point mode. In access point mode, if your ESP32-CAM has an external antenna, you get enough range for stable streaming. With online mode, you can achieve very good streaming quality across entire buildings. The access point mode is slightly faster, but has a shorter range. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make, 'cause I don't give a fuck what you say. You can install the required library directly through Library Manager in the Arduino IDE if you don't have it yet. After that, you must select the correct board. Here you can see which board I'm using. Then choose the correct port, which is very important. When you upload the online version, you must stay on the same port. In the serial monitor, you can see your current IP address when using online mode. Internally, both modes work the same way. Here you can see my two mounting brackets. Both fit into the same camera housing, so later you can simply swap the mounts and use the camera anywhere you want. Select ESP32-CAM HD Robotics as the Wi-Fi device, enter the IP address, and you instantly get live streaming. With more than 15 frames per second, the video stream is smooth. If there is any issue with the camera, my custom-built HTML interface will show the problem immediately. Through this interface, you can fully control the camera, take photos, record videos, turn the LED on and off, and manage many other camera functions. Now I'll show you the BambuLab A1 mount. Installation is very simple. Just attach it, and it fits directly into the housing. I also designed a dedicated space for the USB cable. The BambuLab A1 provides enough room to route the cable cleanly outside. You can also adjust the camera height easily. A simple screwdriver is enough. All screws are M2 and M3. If you use M3 threaded inserts, you only need M2 screws. Without threaded inserts, you'll need both M2 and M3 screws, 6 or 8 millimeters long. Both sizes work. The 26 to 40 millimeter lens delivers smoother video and significantly better image quality than the original BambuLab camera. I need a change in my life, 'cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there. Here you can also see the wall mount. You can mount it easily using 4 screws, depending on your needs. All mounting points support M3 screws or M2 screws when using threaded inserts. After that, just route the USB cable or use a small power bank and you're ready to go. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, leave a comment with your opinion, give it a like, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. I'll show you what projects are coming next very soon.